Hey, how's it going, everyone? So I just finished installing the PROTON 500 turn signal for my MT-10, 2018 MT-10. As we all know, the FZ owner or the MT owner, we have this stock turn signal. It's kind of like a, if you think about it, it's like the crab's eye, but we all hated it. So I was looking around and see if how I can replace it, and I didn't really know which one to go to. Except I saw this one video on YouTube. The guy actually installed the PROTON 500 on his FZ-10, but he didn't have any specific video on how the wiring works. So I had to kind of just guess around, and luckily I was able to get it down. So for the wiring, the PROTON 500, it comes with 3 wires. We got red, black, and yellow. So the black from the PROTON 500 goes to the black from the bike itself, and then the red from the PROTON 500 goes to the red, and then the yellow on the left hand turn signal, the yellow PROTON 500 wire will go to the brown from the stock wire. So that's one thing you keep in mind for the left turn signal: black to black, red to red, and yellow to brown. And if you just follow that, you'll be able to get it down right. And then for the right turn signal, it's a little bit different. So black to black, red to red, and then green or yellow to green. So on the like I said, the right turn signal have the green instead of the brown on the left side. So remember, for the right turn signal, black to black, red to red, and then yellow to green. So this is how it looks on the bike. It's really bright compared to the stock turn signal, this floppy one, but I actually quite like it a lot. I'm gonna turn it on and use it so you guys can see how bright it actually is. Alright guys, hopefully this video is helpful to the others that are thinking of replacing their stock turn signal, but quite like the turnout. So once again, that's the PROTON 500 turn signal, and I got it off the Amazon. Alright guys, good luck installing it. Let me know if you have any questions.